Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me here again, and today I have a video on fruits. Today I'm going to show you how to make your creamy fruits. This is how you get to enjoy them more than when you just take your fruits. So we're going to my fruits are already washed, so I'm going to slice them, and then I'm going to use mango flavored yogurt. Yes, and I'm going to slice my fruit as I earlier said, and then mix them well, and then I'm going to serve them here, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. So make sure you try this one and you're just going to love it so much. So guys, let's get started. Let's get them sliced to slices that you can handle. Guys, don't forget to be watching my videos on other fruits. I really love fruits, so this is why I love spicing them so much, for them to just be good to enjoy. And this is a very good combination. Make sure you try and give me feedback. Then we go to our banana. Here it is. This fruit you can enjoy them in the evening or in the morning for breakfast. So guys, my fruits are ready, as you can see. So I'm just going to mix them here. Then just mix them slowly, and let every piece of your fruit have the mango flavored yogurt, creamy yogurt. Guys, looks so yummy. If you do this to your kids, I'm so sure they're also going to love it so much. So if you don't like them, your kids will definitely like them. So then I'm going to serve myself, because we're going to have these 3 people here, and I'm going to serve them here. Each person is going to get a bite. Make sure every person gets the fruits that are represented here. So guys, this is how they look, good and creamy. So we're going to enjoy them right away. Check it out, how they look so good. And the mango flavored creamy yogurt also has a very nice taste. I'm so sure you're just gonna love it. So don't forget to watch my other videos on fruits, and generally just watch all my videos. You'll get to learn something from them and get to enjoy them as you try my recipes. And yes, and let's get connected and grow as a family. So guys, thanks for your time, and just continue watching my videos, and we shall grow together as we are growing. Yes guys, so see you till next time. I'll come up with another video, and guys, I love you so much.